Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create and share a form or survey in Notion. And it's quite simple. You just open up a new page, a blank page, and then go to the bottom and you can click on form. And when you click on it, it will allow you to edit the title and add different questions and options. You can preview it like this. And in order to share the form, you just click on share form. You probably want to make it public, so you just change the who can fill out to anybody on the web with a link. You can decide, well, I guess it is automatically anonymous, and you can add or take off Notion branding, and you just take the copy form link and then share that. Also, you can click on the responses that you receive, and it will automatically be tabulated so you can quickly check the answers for whatever you need. There you go. Hope it helps. Thank you.